Hello AI enthusiasts, welcome back to NextWave AI, where we dive deep into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence and explore how it can revolutionize our everyday lives. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an insightful video from us. Today, we're going to talk about something both practical and creative, AI name generators. Whether you're brainstorming a name for your new business, coming up with character names for your novel, or even looking for a cool username, AI can lend a hand in crafting names that are original, memorable, and meaningful. So, let's jump right in and explore the ins and outs of AI name generators. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is an AI name generator? An AI name generator is a digital tool powered by artificial intelligence that creates names based on specific parameters or criteria. These tools use machine learning algorithms to analyze patterns in existing names, generate new names that are unique and fit the desired context. Imagine needing a name for a new product that feels fresh and modern, or a fantasy character name that transports readers to another world. This is where AI name generators shine. AI name generators use vast databases filled with names from various cultures, languages, and industries. They analyze these datasets to understand the linguistic patterns and structures that make names sound appealing or appropriate for certain contexts. By using AI, these generators can produce names that are not just random, but are intelligently crafted to fit specific needs. Some AI name generators even allow you to input certain keywords or themes. For example, if you're starting a tech company, you might input words like innovation, future, or cloud, and the AI will generate names that resonate with those ideas. The result? Names that are not only unique but also relevant and brandable. Understanding how AI name generators work involves a peek under the hood of modern AI technologies. These generators primarily use two technologies: machine learning and natural language processing, NLP. Let's break down how each of these contributes to the name generation process. Machine learning models. Machine learning is at the heart of AI name generators. These models are trained on vast data sets of names, which include everything from common names to highly specialized ones. During training, the model learns patterns, phonetics, and structures of names. For example, it learns that names ending in son are often associated with a certain cultural background, or that names starting with L often have a certain tonal feel. Neural networks. A specific type of machine learning model called a neural network is often used in name generation. Neural networks can mimic the way human brains recognize patterns. They can understand complex relationships between different elements of language, making them perfect for generating names that are creative, yet follow certain linguistic rules. Natural language processing, NLP. NLP helps AI understand and generate human language. In the context of name generators, NLP is used to understand the input parameters, such as keywords or themes provided by the user. It processes these inputs and uses them to influence the names it generates. For instance, if the user inputs the keyword adventure, the NLP component will guide the AI to generate names that evoke a sense of exploration or excitement. Database and algorithm interaction. Once the AI model has been trained and optimized, it interacts with the database of words, syllables, and existing names. The algorithm selects, combines, and modifies elements from the database to create new names. It uses its understanding of linguistic patterns and the specific criteria set by the user to ensure that the names generated are coherent, culturally appropriate, and contextually relevant. There are several types of AI name generators, each tailored to different naming needs. Here's a closer look at some of the most popular types and how they can be used effectively. Character name generators. These are invaluable tools for writers, screenwriters, and game developers. Character name generators can provide names that fit the personality, background, and setting of a character. For example, if you're writing a medieval fantasy novel, the generator might suggest names like Aranoth or Eldrin, which have an archaic and mystical feel to them. On the other hand, a science fiction generator might produce names like Zira or Quinta, reflecting a futuristic setting. Business name generators. Startups and new businesses often struggle with naming, as finding a name that is both catchy and available as a domain can be challenging. Business name generators use AI to create names that are memorable, relevant to the industry, and often include domain availability checks. For example, a generator might create names like TechNest for a tech company or Greensprout for a business focusing on sustainability. Product name generators. When launching a new product, it's crucial to have a name that stands out and resonates with the target market. Product name generators can help by creating names that are both distinctive and reflective of the product's features. They might use keywords related to the product's functionality, benefits, or market. A fitness app might get suggestions like Fit Pulse or Well Wave, while a smart home device could get names like HomeGuard or Smart Nest. Band and artist name generators. Musicians and artists often look for names that capture their style and persona. Band name generators use AI to create names that are memorable and resonate with the genre. Whether it's a rock band looking for edgy names or an indie artist seeking something unique, these generators can produce a range of creative options. Names like Electric Ember for a rock band or Velvet Dream for a solo artist can evoke the desired image and style. Domain name generators. For anyone looking to establish an online presence, domain name generators are essential. These tools generate names that are not only catchy, but also available as web domains. They often suggest variations if the desired domain is taken and help find alternatives that are SEO friendly. A startup might find that cloudsync.com quote is taken, but a generator could suggest alternatives like syncsphere.com quote or cloudlinkaq.com. Baby name generators. Even parents-to-be can benefit from AI name generators. These tools provide a fun and innovative way to explore baby names, offering unique and meaningful options. They often provide information about the origins and meanings of the names, helping parents choose a name that carries personal significance. From traditional names like Eleanor to modern ones like Zayden, these generators cover a wide spectrum. Let's dive deeper into some of the most popular AI name generators and how they can be utilized effectively. Name Mesh. One of the most versatile name generators, Name Mesh is ideal for startups and businesses. It generates names based on keywords, themes, and industries, and it also checks domain availability. By categorizing names into different themes like SEO, fun, and similar, it helps users find names that fit their specific needs. For instance, inputting tech and innovate might yield options like Innotech or Texonic, which sound modern and innovative. Fantasy name generators. This tool is a go-to for fantasy writers and gamers. It offers a wide range of name categories, from human names to those of elves, orcs, and other fantasy creatures. It can even generate names for places and objects, helping to create a rich and immersive world. A user might find names like Thalorian for a fantasy hero or Grimstone for a dark, foreboding location. Brand Bucket. Brand Bucket is a comprehensive solution for new businesses. It not only generates names, but also provides logo designs and checks domain availability. This makes it easier for businesses to establish a complete brand identity. For example, a health-focused startup might find a name like Pure Well on Brand Bucket, complete with a sleek logo and available domain. Namelix. Known for its ability to generate short and modern names, Namelix is perfect for tech startups and products. It uses machine learning to generate names that are unique, relevant, and catchy. It also offers logo suggestions that complement the names. A new mobile app might find a name like Breezy through Namelix, which is easy to remember and has a fresh, modern feel. SpinXO. Ideal for social media enthusiasts, SpinXO generates usernames that are unique and catchy. It takes into account the user's interests, hobbies, and keywords to create names that are both fun and memorable. A gamer looking for a cool username might find suggestions like Fire Ninja or Shadow Pulse, perfect for building an online persona. Wordoid. Wordoid is a creative tool for inventing new words that can serve as brand names. It focuses on generating names that are not only unique but also sound pleasant and are easy to pronounce. This makes it a great tool for businesses looking to create a distinctive brand identity. A fashion brand might discover a name like Glamora, which is unique and elegant. As AI technology evolves, so do the capabilities of name generators. Here are some advanced features that modern AI name generators offer. Contextual relevance. Advanced name generators can analyze the context in which a name will be used and generate names that fit perfectly. For example, they can understand the difference between a name suitable for a luxury brand versus one for a casual, youth-oriented product. This contextual relevance ensures that the names generated are not only creative but also appropriate for the intended use. Cultural sensitivity. AI name generators are becoming more culturally aware. They can generate names that are appropriate for different cultures and avoid those that might be considered offensive or inappropriate. This is especially important for businesses operating in international markets where cultural nuances play a significant role in branding. Phonetic optimization, as some name generators use phonetic analysis to create names that are easy to pronounce and remember. They analyze how the name sounds when spoken aloud and optimize it for clarity and appeal. This feature is particularly useful for businesses looking to create a strong oral brand presence. Trademark and domain checking. To help users avoid legal issues, many AI name generators now include trademark and domain availability checks. This allows users to ensure that the names they are considering are not only unique, but also legally available for use. This feature saves time and prevents potential conflicts, making the naming process smoother and more efficient. Personalization and learning. Some of the most advanced name generators learn from user interactions. They remember user preferences and feedback to generate even better suggestions in the future. This personalization makes the tools more effective over time, providing names that are increasingly aligned with the user's style and preferences. To illustrate the power of AI name generators, let's look at some real-world examples of how these tools have been used successfully. Tech startup, naming success. A tech startup was struggling to find a name that was both unique and relevant to their mission of developing innovative cloud solutions. Using Name Mesh, they input keywords like cloud, sync, and future. The generator produced several options, but the name Cloud Sync stood out. It was simple, relevant, and the domain was available. The name has since become synonymous with reliable and cutting-edge cloud solutions, helping the startup establish a strong brand identity. Fantasy author's creative boost. A fantasy author was looking for names for the characters in their new novel, set in a mythical world. Using a fantasy name generator, they input themes related to ancient mythology and magic. The generator provided a list of names, including Alerion and Sylphira, which perfectly matched the tone and setting of the novel. These names help the author create a rich and immersive narrative, bringing the characters and the world to life. Social media influencer's unique handle. A budding social media influencer wanted a username that reflected their passion for travel and adventure. Using SpinXO, they input keywords like wander, explore, and globe. The generator suggested names like Wander Globe and Globe Trekker. The influencer chose Wander Globe, which quickly became recognizable and helped them build a dedicated following on social media platforms. Gaming studio's game title discovery. A gaming studio was developing a new game set in a post-apocalyptic world and needed a title that was catchy and reflected the game's theme. Using an AI name generator, they input words like survival, dawn, and darkness. The generator suggested Dawn of Shadows, a title that was both evocative and fitting for the game's setting. The title caught on with gamers, contributing to the game's success. The potential of AI name generators is immense, and as AI technology continues to advance, we can expect these tools to become even more powerful and versatile. Here are some future trends and innovations we can anticipate in the world of AI name generators. Integration with voice assistants. Imagine using your favorite voice assistant, like Alexa or Google Assistant, to generate names. In the future, AI name generators could be integrated with voice assistants, allowing users to generate and refine names using voice commands. This could make the naming process more interactive and convenient. Augmented reality, AR integration. With the rise of augmented reality, AI name generators could use AR to visualize names in real-world settings. For example, a business could use AR to see how different names would look on their storefront or product packaging, helping them make more informed decisions. AI-driven brand development. AI name generators could evolve into comprehensive brand development tools. They could not only generate names, but also create logos, slogans, and branding strategies, providing a one-stop solution for businesses looking to establish a brand identity. This could democratize brand development, making it accessible to startups and small businesses. emotion and sentiment analysis. Future name generators could incorporate emotion and sentiment analysis to create names that evoke specific feelings. By analyzing how different names make people feel, these tools could generate names that not only sound good, but also resonate emotionally with the target audience. Multilingual and cross-cultural name generation. As businesses and content creators operate in increasingly global markets, the ability to generate names that work across different languages and cultures will become crucial. Future AI name generators could offer advanced multilingual capabilities, ensuring that names are appropriate and appealing in multiple languages. We've covered a lot of ground today, from the basics of how AI name generators work to the various types and their applications. We've looked at practical tips, real-world examples, and even glimpsed into the future of these fascinating tools. AI name generators are not just about creating names. They're about unleashing creativity, saving time, and helping us connect more effectively with our audiences. Whether you're a writer, a business owner, a content creator, or just someone who loves exploring the possibilities of AI, these tools offer something valuable for everyone. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might find it helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to NextWave AI and ring the notification bell to stay updated on the latest trends and insights in AI. We'd love to hear your thoughts, so drop a comment below with your favorite AI name generators or any interesting names you've come across. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep exploring and let AI spark your creativity.